It's hard to believe that Rachel McAdams will be 34 this year. That might be because she was actually 25 when she played a hot high school student in 2004's Mean Girls.
You can take that fake apology and shove it right up your hairy...
Canada had already taken notice of the London, Ontario native the year before that breakout role, when Rachel won a Gemini for her role in Slings and Arrows alongside Paul Gross.
Just gonna run lines, right? I mean, we're not gonna have sex.
And then it happened.
There is no easy way. No matter what I do, somebody gets hurt.
The movie everyone loved, the boyfriend everyone wanted, and one steamy MTV Movie Awards kiss. The all-Canadian relationship didn't last, but Rachel's success in Hollywood sure did. As a leading lady, she holds her own and then some in the biggest comedies, dramas, and adventures.
He's so knowledgeable, isn't he?
Yeah.
Not to mention Woody Allen's critically acclaimed Midnight in Paris, which co-starred her current beau, actor Michael Sheen. She's regularly seen in and around Toronto with the talented Welshman, and she's back for TIFF in 2 films. Terrence Malick's To the Wonder, co-starring Academy Award winners Ben Affleck and Javier Bardem, and Brian De Palma's erotic thriller Passion.
I admire you. Well, now I want to be loved.